Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Create a model in starter character named template with humanoid and consistent parts. Use a humanoid description object to define body proportions and appearance. Add accessories to the model and keep attachment names identical across parts. Set body type scale to 1, height scale to 1, and head scale to 1 for uniform proportions. Make sure textures and outfits are local to the template model only. Rename limbs to standard names, like left upper arm and right upper leg, for script reliability. Put a server script in server script service that listens to players. Player added. For each player, connect to character added and wait for the character to load fully. Wait for the humanoid with character, wait for child humanoid before changing appearance. Grab the humanoid description from starter character. Template. Humanoid description and call humanoid description. Apply to humanoid. Use a 0. 5-second wait after character spawn to ensure accessories and parts replicate first. Keep logic on the server so test and play solo and play here with multiple clients using emulators or the built-in test feature. Observe that each spawned character receives the same template appearance on join. Handle character resets by reapplying the same humanoid description on every character added event. Verify accessories reattach correctly and adjust 0. 5-second delay if needed for slower networks. Finally, publish to Roblox after verifying uniform appearance with up to 20 players in a live test session.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.